Mix softener with salt and after 5 minutes, you will want to thank me. For today's tip, let's insert 200 milliliters of softener into a bowl. We will always use a meter to separate the exact amount needed without wasting anything else. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Then we'll add 200 milliliters of detergent. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Carolyn Peter from Nigeria. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. And we mix the ingredients very well. After that, we will add a tablespoon of salt. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. And we'll also add 100 milliliters of vinegar. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home. And comment if you know any tips, so I can do and teach others. And we will mix very well only ingredients. And we'll separate for later. Now we're gonna need a bottle. We will remove the lid and support a funnel to transfer the mixture without dropping anything out of it. Your family will. Thank you very much for making this tip. I use this tip whenever I see my toilet getting dirtier and smelly. The detergent is one of the main items for cleaning. Mainly assists in removing fat and stains. After that, we will cap the bottle again. Now I'll show you how to use the hint. Let's apply it to the walls inside the toilet. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. After I started doing this, I confess that I was surprised. Then we will use a mop to spread the mixture very well. After that, just flush to see your toilet cleaner and smelling. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.